Some towns don't rush. They let time walk barefoot. This is Kannur, where the Arabian Sea doesn't just touch the land, it whispers stories into it. Here the mornings smell of salt and history, and evenings glow with lamps, prayers, and the rhythm of life slowing down. Forts stand still, not in pride, but in patience. They've seen empires arrive and leave without a sound. This isn't just a town, it's a pause, a deep breath between chaos and calm. This is Kannur.